So these are the cable zip ties. In this kit, you get 20 black and 20 white zip ties, and so there's a total of 40. This can be used indoor or outdoors in temperatures ranging from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. These are suitable for your home, garage, office, vegetable garden, travel, workshop, machinery, and other indoor and outdoor fixed products. As you can see, the pack comes with the black and white. Length's 26 inches long, and the width is 0.315 inches. So here, the zip ties, when you want to bind something or bound something or tie something up, you just use the card slot. So I insert it says, and you can tighten whatever it is that you want to have tightened. That's how you can unlock it. It's made of great workmanship, and they're very strong and durable.